Hi, let's describe which bond is stronger, sigma bond and a pi bond. You all know that sigma bond is a single bond and a pi bond is considered as a double bond. For example, if we have a molecule ethene, so if you see this molecule ethene, it has sigma bond and also the pi bond. First bond, a single bond is considered as a sigma and the second bond is considered as a pi bond. So you can see it has sigma and a pi bond. Now let's define what is sigma bond. Sigma bond is actually the first bond formed between any two atoms, and it is formed by mutual sharing of electrons by two atoms, and it's considered as a covalent bond. It's called an head-on overlap. Two atoms will come close to each other and form a bond. Now, if you have to describe the pi bond, so when a sigma bond is already formed by head-on overlap by mutual sharing of a single electron from both of the atoms, then atoms form a parallel overlap due to the presence of electrons in their p orbitals, and these p orbitals are unhybridized. That is why they overlap in parallel and they form a bond. Now, if you see this example of a molecule, you will be clearly seen that blue head-on overlap show a sigma bond, and then these red lines, the red atoms which are bonded with a hydrogen atom, they are also sigma bonded. This is also another example of a sigma and a pi bond. So you can clearly see sigma bond is head-on overlap and the remaining unhybridized p orbitals will overlap below and above. Now what do you think? Which one is a stronger bond? A head-on overlap or a parallel overlap? Yes, sigma bond is a stronger bond because it is a first bond formed between two atoms. It's a proper bond which is formed by mutual sharing of electrons by two atoms. But for example, carbon has 4 electrons in its valence shell and it forms a sigma bond. 2 or possibly 2 or 3 electrons in their unhybridized p orbitals are available. They will bond and form a pi bond. Okay, now we have another question. What do you think? If I'm heating a molecule which contains sigma and a pi bond, for example ethene, which bond among both of them will break first? Pi bond or a sigma bond? And why? You can give me the answer. This is an example. You can see different type of the sigma and pi bonds. Now answer below in comments.